10 super easy mechanic hacks you must know. The super mechanic hack number 1 is the wrench trick. We all know that problem when we have a hard tightened screw and we can't open it with a short wrench like this here. But you have currently no special tool or something like this and you can't work with a ratchet or something like this. You only need a one bigger wrench. Do it like this here. So you have a much longer arm and you can open it easy. So the next hack is the tape hack. You know, at some areas at your car you can't work so comfortable like here. First, you know, a lot of areas at your car you can't see nothing and you have to work there and you have to install exactly there the screw and then it fall down and then you have to search for 20 minutes the screw. So, super easy hack is use a little bit of tape, exactly like this, put it on the head of the screw and push it on the socket. So it is fixed and you can install it like this and you have no worries that it will fall down or something like this. Okay, the next super trick is the stud trick. The stud trick you can use anywhere on every stud, and I see a lot of mechanics who try to open the stud here with pliers or something like this, but that don't work very well and mostly it destroys the stud. So we only need 2 bolts and 2 wrenches. There is nothing in the world easy like this. You can do it anywhere. Put the first nut on the stud, then the second, then tighten it down like this, and now you can screw this stud pretty easy out and you destroy nothing. So you have no problems and you can use the stud again. Super. So as an engine builder you have often these problems that there in the engine case or in the head are small sleeves like this here at the top of the area here. That is for fixturing, for the head to the block or for block to block. When we want to surface a deck we have to get them out, but we don't want to destroy them because you have to order new ones and that needs time, and the price is not a problem because it costs not a lot of money, but it is not so smooth, and why you won't destroy them with a plier or something like this when you can use it again when you do it right. So here we have a small tab like this here and we screw them here in. By a tab, use always a little bit of oil, like this. That's okay. Put it out, clean it a little bit. Here is a super simple screw with a ring. I prefer using for this a slide hammer. With one hand, hold it with another hand and then only a couple of hits. So here is the sleeve without any problem, but now bonus hack. Normally you have no problems to get them out. You can do it on a vise and try to get them out, but it is much easier. Looks like this. I put it back in the hole, then only a little bit like this, and so you can screw it easy out, and here we have the sleeve. So the next hack is more for engine builders, or if you rebuild your engine at home and it comes from the machine shop and they have honed and bought this engine case. At the top of the area, when you bore it, you have always the problem that there is a pretty hard edge, and I will show you what I mean. This engine here I have currently bored and honed, and you see here this edge here is pretty hard, and if you want to install the pistons you can pretty easy damage your piston ring when you put it in, also when you have good tools. My ultimate engine builder special hack is not with the expensive tool or with a lot of time on the drill. Only here a $10 tool. I don't really know this name in English, but you can do there at the top area a really fine, nice angle only with this tool. Do it like this. That is a super fine angle, and so you have no worries anymore with installation of piston rings that you destroy them or damage them. That's super nice. Yes. So the last but not the least hack is the film hack. We invest a lot of time for cleaning this engine, and it is the easiest way to make it safe after you have cleaned it with a film like this. It costs not a lot of money, and you can put it over it, and so it can we can wait for a half year or more, and you know that it stays pretty safe in this film, right? But if you do it to a little bit of oil and the cylinder liners, so you have no problems with rust or something like this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like these style of videos with the hacks, I have a lot of more hacks, but it is for me normal that I use them because it comes easy with the experience, and I have no problem to share my experience with you guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, the world is flat.